Hello everyone, as the CNC rod has been used for a long time, the metal and the water in the spindle react to form rust, which will form a blockage over time and will result in the inability to circulate the water and the spindle to lose heat in time. So, how do we solve this problem when the spindle is blocked? Follow me to find this answer.
A spindle blockage solution steps. Number 1. Soak the spindle with cooler and other weak acid substances so that the cooler completely covers the water inlet and outlet of the spindle about 1-2 days. Number 2. Use rust remover and other metal removal pushes to soak the spindle. Number 3. Use compressed iron to aim at the inlet or outlet and blow hard. Number 4. After draining the spindle, be sure to clean up residues, cooler, and the acid substance.
Okay, and the above is all the content of this video. In the next video, we will invite a mysterious guys. Hurry up and follow us for the latest information. Thanks for your time.